Welcome to KBC. Do you want to play? Press Y or N. Welcome again. Q1, who is known as the father of the computer? A. Charles Babbage. B. Alan Turing. C. John von Neumann. D. Tim Berners-Lee. Correct answer. Q2, what is the capital of France? A. London. B. Paris. C. Berlin. D. Rome. Correct answer. Q3, which of the following planets in our solar system is known as the red planet? A. Earth. B. Saturn. C. Jupiter. D. Mars. Correct answer. Q4, which god is also known as Gauri Nandan? A. Agni. B. Indra. C. Ganesha. D. Hanuman. Correct answer. You win 6,500 rupees. Beaming face with smiling eyes, face with tears of joy.